Hi, Vadim here. In just a few steps, I'll show you how to tackle this common everyday challenge on your device. In many everyday workflows, you'll need to know how to keep your files available across devices without compromising control or security. Syncing your files with Google Drive isn't just about convenience. It's about making sure your work is accessible, secure, and organized across every device you use. Let me walk you through how to sync your Google Drive with your desktop the right way. First, navigate to google.com/drive/download and install Google Drive for Desktop. This free app lets you integrate your cloud drive with your local file system. Follow the steps in the installation to install it on your device. Once installed, open the app and sign in with your Google account. If you use Google Workspace through a company or school, be sure to use that login to retain access to shared drives and organizational level security. Now let's configure Google Drive. You need to choose the folders to sync from your computer to the drive. I'm going to select all three: Desktop, Documents, and Downloads. Now there are two important differences between syncing to Google Drive and backing up to Google Photos. Sync with Drive automatically syncs your edits, and Backup to Photos treats edits as new files. Additionally, Google offers me to back up photos and videos. I'm going to choose both options and click Next. I'm going to confirm this choice and click Next. And now the information is syncing. You might be asking, where did this information go on your desktop? If you open File Explorer, you see that Google added another drive, Drive G in my case, which is called Google Drive. You navigate there, you click My Drive, and you see all the files available. The cool thing is that all the files have been synchronized between Google Drive and your device. You can navigate through them just like you do on the Google Drive, and you can access and view the files locally. To access Google Drive settings, in the status bar, navigate to Google Drive app. Here you can preview activity and view the notifications. You can also click on the settings icon to see Google Drive settings. Here you can click on settings again and disconnect and change your Google account that you're syncing with. Control the drive ladder, which is connected to Windows and related to Google Drive. Set the limits for Google Photos, decide if you want to launch and login, and configure the hotkeys. Now your Google Drive is synced and your setup is built for scale, security, and productivity. If you found this content helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Online Training for Everyone. Have a great day.